I want to listen to play with my favorite tune. It's a corgi. Hello, hello, hello. All right. Today we're going to pick up right where we left off. We're going to pick up right where we left off and try to see if we can get this thing to pop out a blogging site for my dog. Let's go. Hello, I am Ryan Torvik with Tulip Tree Tech, and this is our leaf. So today we are going to pick up where we left off with the other day. We're going to be using Claude Code. We're not using Claude Code. We're using Roo Code inside of VSCode, and then we're going to use Claude Sonnet in order to build up a blogging site for my dog. Let's check it out. All right, so what we did yesterday kind of blew up in our face at the end because I was trying to just run it. I'm not ready to push everything. I'm really checking everything. I need to see it to see if it actually works and see what it looks like. So we had tried to do this and it ran on, I'm running on OS X and it's like, oh, I can't do OS X, whatever. So then we tried to get it to say, okay, create a dev container for me. So it did create a dev container, but I wasn't very specific. I just said to run it. It gave me all these extra files, blah, 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 blah. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back and ask Roo Code to cut back. All right. I'm going to start with orchestrator and I say, okay, can you put in a simpler dev container configuration that will have Jekyll installed by default? Docker container, let's analyze what we need to do. Okay, dev container, possibly create a custom. I don't want custom, I want simple, super simple. What's it doing first? Doing code first. All right, understand what we're working with. Ruby-based imaged. Yep, that's already there. You didn't check, but that's fine. Successfully created. All right, let's see what it put in. Oh, it's still going. I don't think I need a Docker file. Yeah, I don't need a Docker file. Let's see what it put in here. Docker file, bundle install, Jekyll blogs, development container. I didn't need a README. I mean, I appreciate it. Exec. All right, let's see. What is it? Are you done? Okay, it's done. Main configuration uses a Ruby-based image, forwards port 1000. Automatically runs bundle install. Once inside the container, you can start the Jekyll server with this. Okay. Let's, just because. Docker file is Docker file. Remote user is Jekyll. Didn't need that. Bundle install, create command. Okay. Here's my Docker file. Starts with Ruby on Bullseye. Git node.js npm. Okay. Node. All right. And then gem install Jekyll and bundler. Workspace that way. All right. Seems like a little unnecessary when it comes down to it, but all right, let's try. Reopen in container. Proof is in the pudding, buddy. Show me the pudding. See, and I'm thinking like maybe if you used one of the like Microsoft already provided Ruby ones, but I mean, this is one of those things. It's like, okay, I got to tell it to do the things that I may as well just do it myself at that point. Like the whole point is for you to do it, not and me to like kind of understand enough about it. I'm just vibing, you know. I kind of have an idea, and you're gonna fix it and take care of it for me. All right, all done, built, installing the server. Oh, done? Yeah, yeah, it's done. Fabulous. Retry and download for gem. Data. What is it doing now? All right, so you key to close this terminal. I'm gonna trash this terminal. All right, where's my Roo Code? That's a dev container. Where's my Roo Code? Put it back. Put it back. Install in dev container. Please run my Jekyll project. Let me analyze the tasks. Let's see. Orchestrator mode, code mode. Okay. Analyze the task. Bundle install. Config. Wants to read. All right, right. Go, go, go. Install. Okay, Jekyll 422. How'd you figure that out? Okay, run command. Okay, error. happened while installing Unicode display width. The bundler cannot continue. Let's try to run the Jekyll server directly. Okay, so we're just gonna permissions error, trying to do, this is common in containerized environments, so the process doesn't have permissions. The system gem directories. Since we have a gem file lock with all the required dependencies listed. Oh, well then why didn't you okay, fine, whatever. Could not find mini blah blah blah. Well, that's a different error. I'm glad you're running this and not me. Update. It's like the gem file lock was in the newer version. Okay. Older bundle version. Okay. 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 Doesn't support the untaint method that's used by the older Ruby versions. Oh, I see. So there's, and that might be because it was trying to do it before. All right, because we've got the same directory. Run command. Still an issue. Dun dun dun. Cannot load file WebRick. This is common. Issues with 3.0. RedBook was removed from standard library. So we need to add it back. Okay. Did it. Great. Exec. Woo! It's running. It's running. Okay. Now the question is, what browser should I use? Let's use Chrome. Let's use Chrome. Do I have a Chrome? All right. So we're going to go to localhost 4000. Cinnamon's Corner. Welcome to Cinnamon's Corner. A photo blog showcasing the adventures of Cinnamon, a tan-colored Dachshund Yorkie Schnauzer mix. Go perfectly embodies the lazy but spry personality. Lounging in sunny spots, getting really excited for, okay, so that's home. What's gallery look like? Got a bunch of images that aren't there. Lazy moments. Nope, 404. About. Oh, there's an about. Lazy side, spry side, favorite activities. About this blog. Not bad. Looks pretty terrible. Simmons' first speech day. Morning energy, chasing seagulls. Hey, this is all there. It looks terrible, but I bet you I could get it. It could do better at looking. Full gallery. Okay. All the links work. Almost. There's the, what is it? So if I go look at this and I go look at tags, I say plain 404. Okay, the tags don't work. All right. All right. Well, let's try a little bit more. Let's try to do something just a little bit more complicated. See how well it does it. So, kill command. Worked perfectly. That worked perfectly. Thank you for debugging all my Jekyll problems and my bundle problems. I appreciate it. We're all done. Fabulous. Okay. Stop and cancel by the user. Yeah, wonderful. Yeah, no, it's fine. You're good. Terminate. All right. So let's see. All right. So I would like to update the pictures in my blog with the ones that are freely available online until I've got my own pictures. Can you find pictures of Dachshunds or Yorkies or Schnauzers and use them in the blog? Now let's try this. We'll say, make it a little more whatever. Royalty-free public domain photographs of Dachshunds, Yorkshire Terriers, or Schnauzers that I can legally use. Good point. For each image suggestion, provide the source website, license information, proper. For each image suggestion, I'm going to change this to code, actually, so I'm done. Okay, so I'm going to fix that last line. For each image suggestion, insert it into the appropriate page on my blog, and then put a comment in about where it came from. All right, ready? Let's do this. Engage. Okay, update your blog with copyright-free dog images. Starting by advantage your blog content. Understand what images, better understanding the blog posts. Name the images that one, blah, 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 blah. Okay. Digging in the sand, chasing seagulls, napping under the umbrella. Okay. References to several images. Cursorily view all the directories. All right. Images readme. Okay, you're going to make a dir. Update your blog. Let's create a directory for the, I don't need you to download the images. I just want a link to them, but okay. Okay, we're going to use a browser. Go for it. Okay, curl. Oh, it's going to curl these files down. Okay, go for it. Okay, and it's going to pull another one down. Interesting. Curling another one down. So glad I have curl installed. Wonderful. Curl another one down. So instead of like linking to, it's actually just downloading them. Okay. Okay. Did the maker, and it seemed to pick up the fact that it was able to. Sunbathing thumb. It's just pulling these down. I kind of thought that maybe you would just put a link in to these things, but pulling them down is another way to solve the same problem. All right, so far it's fixed the dev container, so it actually runs. It's fixed all the bundle Jekyll things without me trying to do anything. And now it's pulling down images to update the thing so that it's not a bunch of like 404 not found image errors. That's a lot. Cinnamon Hero. Okay, and then it's running an LS. It's got stuff in there. Gallery. Are you gonna run the thing too? Let's see what happens. You're gonna. Okay, so it's missing some. Oh, interesting, because they're small. Let's try a different image. Oh, because it was small, it realized, well, that's cool. So it failed to download. Now it's download the thumbnail. 29 bytes, which is probably not. Okay, then it's gonna. I didn't even think to ask it to check to make sure the download successfully. Update the blog post with comments about the image sources. Wonderful, thank you. Image source pixels.e.com. Okay, it's got there. Wonderful, wonderful, thank you. Edit the file gallery.md. Bundle exec Jekyll build. Sweet. So it built it. Perfectly, properly placed according to your blog. Oh, there we go. That's what I want to see. Let's do Jekyll serve. All right. And then we'll go back to our Chrome. And we will refresh. Oh my goodness. Cinnamon's first beach day. That's the same photo. Oh, there's another puppy. Chasing seagulls. That's not a dog or a. That's not a dachshund chasing seagulls. Oh, that's not a dachshund either. No, you're not. Cinnamon digging in the sand. Not a thing that's happening. Chasing seagulls. Not a thing that's happening. Oh, napping on the. Hey, but there are images. I didn't tell it to make sure the images are correct. All right, let's go to the top. Cinnamon's corner. Oh, that is hard to. What is going on? That is a big photo. Oh, there you are. Okay, we're gonna need to fix that. View all posts. That's better. Okay, about Cinnamon. Okay, this is the holy cow. I didn't see any Yorkies. Okay. All right, let's go back. I know I'm pushing my limits here. All right, let's go back to kill command, start new task. Okay, so let's go. Okay, please make sure the images on the site can be seen in the browsing window. So that should be pretty simple to just change a few tags here and there. Also, please put a border around each image with rounded corners. Select an appropriate color based on the site's color scheme. Scale them down, add a border to each image around the curves, and appropriate color for the border based on. Okay. Yep. Read the file, gallery.md. Simple HTML structure, gallery.md. CSS. Thumbnails are displayed in the grid, but users, when they click on the there's no CSS to ensure them. Okay. Check the blog post page. The image is displayed there. Better understanding. Based on the CSS, I can see primary color, max width, 100%, which helps with scaling, but doesn't apply to all images. No specific styling for borders. Great. Updating the site CSS. Try to find the default layout. Okay, so it's adding some stuff to the main.css. Great, the changes have been successfully made. Oh, no, reject. No, just please run it. I will, yes, serve it and I'll look at it myself. Oh, you could actually use the browser to do it? What? That's amazing. All right, refresh. It fits now. Recent posts. Okay, that does not have corners on it. Gallery. Oh, these do. These have little And that's not that's what kind of dog is that? Sunbathing in her favorite spot, excited for evening walk. And look, it changes colors and it does a little like pop as you mouse over it. Things I didn't ask for. Oh, and there's the whole picture. That's just the JPEG itself. Okay, let's do, where's the blog? Where's the blog? Ah, recent post, Cinnamon's first beach day. It's got a border around it, and there's a winking puppy. Lazy but spry personality. Morning energy. Chasing seagulls. Super cool. Okay, we're gonna leave it. Very pleasant experience. Thank you for today. This is the only one that doesn't have a thing about it, but you'll see every time I mouse over it, does a little whoop, whoop, whoop. View all posts. There it is. There it is. Not bad. Very exciting. Copyright, Cinnamon's Human, all rights reserved. That's it. We did it. Together. We did it together. It actually worked out this time. So nice work, Claude and Roo and whatever. So we got to start. And I still haven't opened up any CSS or HTML, or I haven't even looked at any of the JPEGs before you put them down there. So pretty good, pretty good. Okay, well, we're going to keep doing this. We're going to keep checking this out, seeing what you can do with these vibing thingies. So hop down in there, smash them likes and subscribe button. And yeah, we'll look forward to seeing you next time.